Looking for new and interesting ways to fold your pocket square, or are you learning for the first time? Add extra personality or style to your wardrobe and up your image game. It's all in the details. Hello gorgeous, my special guest here today is Audie Meirelles, and he is going to teach us how to fold some awesome pocket squares. Stay tuned until the end, and I'm going to show you exactly how much of your pocket square should stick out of your pocket and how to keep it consistent and in your pocket. If you wear pocket squares, you do not want to miss this. Audie, what is the first fold you're going to teach us today?
Today I will be showing one of my favorite folds, the Monarch fold.
All right, let's hop to it. Awesome. Thank you so much. I learned a lot. So now I'm going to show you how far your pocket squares should stick up out of your pockets. Part of it depends on what type of fold you have. The larger, fluffier folds will need to show a bit more out of the pocket than a typical conservative or presidential TV fold that goes straight across. That type of fold only needs to stick up just over 1/4 inch. A big part of a great pocket square looking great is its ability to keep its shape and stay in place the entire time you're wearing it. Pretty much the only way to guarantee it is to have this bad boy right here, the best pocket square holder. I've got the link in the descriptions. It's tightly hinged, so you squeeze together, slip your pocket square in, it snaps shut to hold tightly, and it stays perfect. So you slip it in your pocket. It also helps keep your silks flatter in your pocket, which give you more elegant finish as well. Depending on how much you want your silk to stick out depends on how far you place the pocket square holder in your pocket. It also depends on how deep your pocket goes as well. So you can slide it down where just a little bit shows, or you can bring it up just a little bit. I think for this double signature fold, this 1/2 inch looks terrific sticking out of it. Give me a like and a comment on your favorite fold. I want to hear from you and see what you thought. Thanks so much for joining us today, and stay stylish, gorgeous.